Ever wonder what a vehicle warranty really means? It's not just a fancy document you get when you buy a car. It's your safety net when things go wrong. Basically, a vehicle warranty is the manufacturer's promise that the car you bought is free from defects. If something goes wrong and it's not your fault, the manufacturer will handle the repairs or even replace faulty parts, often at no cost to you. In short, it's protection against factory defects and unexpected problems during the early years of car ownership. Most warranties last between 3 to 5 years, depending on the brand. Some even go as far as 10 years, a whole decade of coverage. So before you drive off with that new ride, make sure you understand what's covered, how long it lasts, and what you need to do to keep it valid. Because when it comes to car ownership, a good warranty can save you serious cash in the long run. There are 5 main types of warranties. Which ones are offered depends on the manufacturer and the model. But let's cover each one briefly, so you know what to watch out for. First, factory warranty. This is the default warranty that comes with your brand new car straight from the manufacturer. It usually covers defects in materials or workmanship, basically factory errors, and is limited by time, usually 3 to 5 years, or mileage, whichever comes first. In the Philippines, most of the established brands like Toyota, Honda, and Mitsubishi all offer 3 years or 100,000 kilometers, while their Chinese counterpart offer a minimum of 5 years, some going as long as 10 years. Next type is extended warranty. When your factory warranty runs out, some car owners choose to go for an extended warranty. Think of this as extra protection, but it's optional and not always offered for free. Coverage is often similar to the original warranty, but may have exceptions, so always read the fine print. It's starting to become more common in the Philippines, especially for those buying used cars. Next is bumper-to-bumper warranty. This one sounds like it covers everything, but let's be clear, it doesn't. It's the most comprehensive warranty offered, sometimes called an exclusionary warranty because it covers almost every part of your car except a few listed exclusions. These usually last 3 to 5 years and include coverage of electronic systems, air conditioning, suspension, and more. Perfect for peace of mind. Then we have roadside assistance warranty, stranded on a highway with a flat tire or dead battery. A roadside assistance warranty helps with emergency towing, jump starts, flat tire changes, or even lockouts. Some manufacturers include this free with new cars, while others offer it as a paid add-on. Super handy, especially on long road trips. Lastly, powertrain or battery warranty. This is the backbone of your vehicle. Literally, the powertrain warranty covers major components like your engine, transmission, axles, gaskets, seals, and driveshaft for ICE vehicles. It usually lasts longer than the bumper-to-bumper warranty, often up to 5 years or 150,000 kilometers and 8 years for EV batteries. Some car brands include this inside their standard warranty. Others treat it as a separate package. Now that we know the different types of warranties, what exactly does a warranty cover? We Filipinos love to cut corners. We haggle over prices. We look for hidden defects. But sometimes we overlook the warranty entirely. We sign papers without reading them, which is a big mistake. You wouldn't buy a house without inspecting it first, would you? So why sign a warranty without knowing what it covers? Let's talk about the scope of a typical car warranty, especially for vehicles bought here in the Philippines. On paper, it sounds like peace of mind, but let's break it down clearly so you know what you're signing up for. Number 1, covered defects. Your vehicle warranty will usually cover damages caused by faulty design, manufacturing defects, assembly errors, problems with raw materials. Basically, if it's the manufacturer's fault, they'll take care of it. But don't expect coverage for wear and tear, poor maintenance, or accidental damage. Number 2, no reset on coverage. Here's something most car owners don't know. If the Casa replaces a part under warranty, it doesn't restart the warranty period for that part. Example, if your alternator is replaced during your 5-year warranty, that new alternator is only covered for the remainder of the original warranty, not another 5 years. Number 3, replaced parts still belong to the manufacturer. Yep, even after they remove a defective part from your car, that part still legally belongs to the manufacturer. They keep it for records, testing, or policy audits. So don't expect to bring the part home or have it returned. Number 4, policy can change. Manufacturers regularly study vehicle performance and customer feedback, so they have the right to update or revise the warranty policy based on their findings. This means your next car, or even your current one, might come with changes in coverage. Always stay updated, especially if you're planning to buy a new model. If you've learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car buying tips, maintenance guides, and automotive advice, all made for Filipino drivers like you. So we talked about what's covered. Now let's discuss what's not. Here are 14 things your car warranty probably won't cover. Number 1. Missed maintenance. If you skip scheduled preventive maintenance, even just once, your warranty might be voided. That's right, no PMS, no coverage. Number 2. Unauthorized repairs. If your car was fixed by someone using a method not approved by the manufacturer, say goodbye to warranty coverage. Number 3. Competitive driving. Used your car for drag racing or track events. Sorry, that's not covered. Number 4. Taxis or rentals. If the vehicle is used commercially, like for grab or rentals, most warranties won't apply. Number 5. Overuse or abuse. Going beyond the car's recommended weight load, over-revving the engine, or ignoring your owner's manual, not covered. Number 6. Non-genuine parts. Using fake or non-recommended parts. That's a big red flag for warranty claims. Number 7. Modifications. Engine swaps, aftermarket suspension, or electrical rewiring, not authorized by the manufacturer, instant exclusion. Number 8. Natural disasters or theft. Damage from floods, earthquakes, fires, or if the car gets stolen, all excluded. Number 9. Environmental damage. Rust or paint damage from bird poop, salt air, chemicals, or pollution. Not manufacturer's problem. Number 10. Wrong usage, even if it's unintentional. Using the car in a way not recommended in the manual is not covered. Number 11. Surface scratches, minor paint scratches, rust from chips. These are wear and tear, not warranty issues. Number 12. Normal noises, engine hums, or minor vibrations that don't affect performance. That's normal, not a defect. Number 13. Aging. Some parts naturally wear out over time. That's not something your warranty will cover. Number 14. Consumables. Things like brake pads, oil filters, spark plugs. They're expected to be replaced and are not covered. Now that we know what's covered and what's not, let's talk about the actual warranty claim process. From start to finish, what do you need to know? How can you make the process smooth and hassle-free? Step 1. Spot the problem. First, you need to figure out if your issue is something covered by your warranty. Warranties typically cover the engine, transmission, electrical system, and major components, but not wear and tear items like brake pads or wiper blades. So if your aircon suddenly stops working, that could be covered. But if it's just low on Freon, probably not. Pro tip: pull out your warranty booklet or owner's manual and look for the coverage list. It's all in there, and yes, it's worth reading. Step 2. Contact your warranty provider. Call your dealership or the manufacturer's customer service hotline. Have these details ready. 1. Vehicle, make, and model. 2. VIN vehicle identification number. 3. A clear explanation of the problem. Be honest and detailed. This helps them decide whether to move forward with the claim. Step 3. Vehicle inspection. The dealership or service center will schedule a vehicle inspection. They'll check if the issue is really covered by the warranty and that it wasn't caused by improper use or lack of maintenance. Bring with you 1. Your warranty booklet. 2. Proof of purchase. 3. Service records, especially if this involves a recurring issue. Step 4. Claim approval and repair. Once they confirm the issue qualifies for warranty coverage, they will approve the claim. The dealership will then start the repair process at no cost to you. As long as everything checks out. Reminder: make sure you understand what's being repaired, how long it will take, and if any parts will be replaced. Step 5. Payment and aftercare. Good news: you don't have to pay for repairs covered by your warranty. The warranty provider handles the bill, but your job's not done yet. 1. Always keep your service receipts. 2. Maintain your vehicle regularly. 3. Stick to your PMS schedule to keep your warranty valid. This will help in case you need to file another claim later on. Filing a warranty claim isn't as complicated as it sounds. You just need to follow the steps and keep your records organized. The key is knowing your rights as a car owner and staying proactive with your maintenance. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.